Erudite development has been established since June 2004 and very well known as a team of construction intelligence led by 5 competent directors. Erudite development has become a one-stop solution provider for construction as well as project management. These are the vision and mission of Erudite development. The proposed project is development of manufacturing facilities for medical devices factory in Kulim, Kedah. A new medical facility that produces oxygen masks will be built on top of 20 acres land at Lot 10272 in Kulim. 4 factories from local and international are compared in the previous study. The first one is Vibra Medical Devices located in Penang. The 9-story factory has total build-up of 193,285 square feet with concept of communication in spaces, which is building that build facing each other. The second precedent case study, Supermax Global HQ, which is still constructed in Klang. The built-up area is 385,000 square feet on 2.02 hectare land. The concept of this factory is green belt created to wrap around the perimeter of building. The third precedent case study is 3-story factory by Pyramid. Factory in Forest is built on 5 acres land with total built-up area of 160,000 square feet. The concept is penetrating forest on surrounding and step over the building. The last precedent case study is Simon's Magnet Technology, built on 20 acres land with total built-up area of 208,890 square feet. The concept of this factory is green environment and preserving natural resources. Now, let's look at SWOT, which acronym as Strength, Weakness, Opportunities and Threat. Strength for location, it is located strategically nearby to highway, Perdana and other factories, which makes the site easy to access. The weakness, however, it is near to the residential area. Excessive noise and pollution will cause problem to surrounding. However, with the development of the factory, it could create job opportunity to the people around the area. Next, for material, the strength is material can be achieved from supplier fast due to the location of site. This could reduce the carbon footprint for material and reduce travel costs. However, the weakness could be time consuming to decide the best supplier. The opportunities is the possibilities of using new construction material. For climate, the strength is the tropical climate itself. It will provide ample rain and sun, allowing the passive design strategies. Weakness is, however, the site will receive rain even in driest month. The opportunities that the climate provides is it could combine the both green and sunlight energy when designing the factory. The threat is there is an uncertainty and adverse on weather conditions. The project consists of 3 main buildings which separated from each other, such as research office, laboratory, warehouse and factories. The project is consisting of 2 access roads for public road access and heavy vehicle access. As in the first briefing of master plan, stressed out with the idea how oxygen went through the nose when inhaling and out of nose exhaling, symbolic to our circulation inside. The concept of breathing architecture was the main focus on designing the access road. Despite that, the master plan circulation was amended due to ensuring the optimal safety, easy access, easy loading and unloading at the warehouse. We took very seriously on road of public and private for heavy vehicles, thus we created 2 entrances and 2 exits. Moving on to the sun orientation. The wind moves often from the west. Our manufacturing facilities equipped with suitable opening to allow strong wind directions to the west to get better indoor air quality and well ventilated. Consists of open air area like retention pond which can support air circulation to the surrounding facility. Average temperature and water temperature does not vary significantly over the course of the year, so to relate we design large tree planted close to our manufacturing facility so it would shade the surrounding building from extreme heat. The building have cooling effect due to the presence of cloud cover which sunlight is cut off and not direct to the building. Most rain falls around October, so our manufacturing facility is built with the best drainage system to prevent flooding or excessive rain. Humidity of site is low. Because of that, we taking initiative to put more vegetation around the building to increase humidity comfort. The design concept of these medical facilities is derived from the product itself, which is breathing architecture, where the design is to breathe on its own biophysical setup. Each of building built including R&D, warehouse and even factory itself is separated from each other to allow the ventilation and light to pass through. The joint division for the building on site could be beneficial for each occupant as supply for air and sunlight is at optimal level. The concept could adopt to control the environment and how it affects the vitality optimal safety is pressed to ensure the smoothness of the medical factory will generate electrical energy from two-way, which from TNB and solar panel itself on top of the factory. To ensure the medical facility comply with energy efficiency idea, over 50 plate solar panel is arranged on top of the factory. The concept of recreating forest at the center of factory was derived from the precedent study itself. Due to the unflat surface of the site, all the facilities building are built at different levels. To be added, the reason that it is purposely built this way was because to let the water inside flow directly to the main drainage. Detention pond is constructed at the center area as it could create peace and quiet, also providing green space for workers to freshen up. The main component of the building are double glazed glass panel where it to supply direct sunlight to the building. For design zoning, different colors allocate different facilities. The whole zoning area is 64,475 meters square. For production and distribution area, Zone A, represented by blue, is 45,310 meters square. Management and research by color red has 2,058 meters square. Zone C, orange, has 9,902 meters square. Zone D, represented yellow, has area of 1,009 meters square. Zone E, color green, has area of 5,572. Zone F, in purple, is backhouse facilities and services, has 624 meters square. The bubble diagram start from infrastructure and amenities and it connect to build. Arrow connection show as a medium connection to management and research building and supporting facilities. They also connect to production and distribution building. The building have medium connection with backhouse facilities while it have high connection with infrastructure and amenities that frequently have an unloading product activities with production and distribution building. Lastly, the infrastructure and amenities have medium connection with supporting facilities. Moving on to schedule of accommodation, the total GDV is 269,720,000. The total of gross floor area is 64,475 meters square. These are the example of interior design ideas in the medical facilities such as the lobby, research office, meeting room, warehouse, loading bay, and more interior spaces idea. Example of other buildings are TNB substation where it is located at the back side of facilities, battery house which is beside the TNB substation, waiting ramp at the loading bay area, and 4 numbers of guard house at crusher entrance and exit. For the floor plan area, warehouse and factory has an area of 45,310 meters square. For R&D is 2,058 meters square. Workers' quarters has an area of 925 meters square. These are the sections and the elevation for the manufacturing facilities for medical devices. As the conclusion, Erudite development aims to relate the product itself, oxygen mask, to develop the medical facilities for medical devices in Kulim. The concept design was solely based on the requirement that applied to design strategies suitable for all aspects of the site wholly taken measure. Erudite development focus is to try combine the green element in its design, construction and operation. With the practitioner of green buildings will often seek to achieve not only ecological but also aesthetic harmony between the structure and surrounding of natural and built environment.